Alright, so this mesh is so damaged and so painful to look at, but it is definitely not 3D printable. It's too high poly, okay, for one. Two, it just, for instance, it's got a bunch of false data on it. It's just horrible. But what I want to show you is the fact that you can have this and still 3D print it using Decimate. Okay, so you can make the worst mesh 3D printable. Alright, to get started, you go over to your modifiers and you go to Decimate. Okay, I'm going to start at 0.125. And I'll show you what that does. Poly count right now is 1.5 million polys. Alright, the face count now here is 397,000 polys. So that's the difference. And if you look at the wireframe of it, this is what it looks like. So decimating, really good. It keeps all the polygons needed just to keep those details, but gets rid of all the ones that are unneeded, making it a very 3D printed piece. So, this might have been the most boring chapter when it comes down to it, but it's the most powerful one. It is, because what you just saw, it allows you to make an amazing amount of detail on a piece, decimate it down, and then you can keep doing that over and over again, because there's no such thing as scale. There's no such thing as, you can have as many meshes as you want within Blender. Okay, as long as if you decimate them down, it doesn't really matter. Okay, you can even keep them on different layers and turn them on and off so they don't affect. So now that we have all the sculpting things that we need, let's get into the next video.